how to use the Swift command control panel. To turn the unit on, just literally press the little picture of the Swift just here, and then the 12 volt system will come on. Next we have water pump. So water pump on so we can get water out the taps, fill the boiler up if it's been emptied. After that we have awning light on and off, dimmable lighting on and off. As you can see, the lighting is currently on, and then if I press in the middle here, you can then turn it back off again and then back on, and then control the dimmer just here. The other one, the other side, is for the bedroom. If I now press the picture of the house again, we can come out of that menu, and next we have after lighting, power. So on that we have condition of the leisure battery, what the solar panel is up to, and if we were hitched up to a vehicle, it would also let us know the condition of the vehicle battery. If I now arrow across, it will display the AC current currently being used, and we can also set a limit. So if you're on a low amp site, you can stop yourself from tripping out. Just literally just pick how many amps the site is on here, and you will not be able to use any more than that. If I now hit the house again, after power we then have heating. You can control your Truma heating either from this control panel here by touching it or by the app, or you can just use the Truma control panel itself. I'm now going to put us back into manual mode for the moment, and you'll see here we have the temperature control for the heating. So if I now press plus, it will come on, and then just literally pick the temperature you would like it to be. You will now see, because I've set it there, it will now set here. So you do need to make sure that this control panel is actually on, or it will not work over on this bit. If I want hot water, I just hit this one here. So Eco will give us water temperature of about 40 degrees, and then hot will give us water temperature of about 60 degrees, and then back to off again. If I want to change the power source, we do it where it says energy. At the moment I'm using main supply and gas together in dual fuel mode. I can then use dual fuel mode at 2 kilowatt, main supply at 1 kilowatt on its own, and main supply at 2 kilowatt on its own, and gas on its own. We can also set a timer just here. So you can set overrides if you want to, and then you can set multiple timers. And obviously if you are hooked up to the Swift Command app, you can use this. After that we then have settings, and within the settings we have set time, day of the week, etc. You've got your Bluetooth pair along the bottom, key beep on and off if you want, and then the brightness of the backlight and how quickly the screen times out when you're not using it. If I now come back out of that again, we then have the radio. You'll see it's currently off at the moment. It can be turned on just here. And then just scan for your radio station here, fine tune here, volume control over here, and your presets along the bottom. We can also have DAB and auxiliary. The auxiliary looks like this. So it's just here, and you'll see you've got aux in just there. If we now come back off the radio, We also have fridge controls. You'll see currently that the fridge is off. If I put it into auto, it will then find the best power source it can for us. And then we can change how cold we want it just here. And it will also display and let us know once the temperature has dropped. Along the top we just have temperature inside the caravan, outside the caravan, the humidity, the time and date, the little lightning strikers letting us know that we're hooked up to mains, and the little L and the gauge there lets us know the condition of the leisure battery. To turn the unit back off again, just return to the little picture of the Swift, hold the button in, and the 12 volt will go off.